Good morning. So we just got up and I'm dressed. Yeah. And my boyfriend's still laying down over there. But I'm currently about to go brush my teeth. And then we're gonna figure out what we're doing. So bye. So I just got done brushing my teeth. They're all pretty and white now. Now we're just gonna sit here and I don't know what we're gonna do. But catch up with you later. We're in the car! And this music station sucks! No, we're using YouTube, so.
I deleted Colorado because it's wasting too much space.
We're using nasty ass Mitt.
No? What are you saying?
It's nasty ass Mitt, you want it?
No.
That's a special way I fold my flag. And I push your head if it's about that cash. Give me a sticky on the outfit. I'm a 305 fitted just to match my kicks. This bitch, I'm alive. And I can't even lie. You can tell by my red ass eyes that I'm hot. I'm full fuck the other side. Sergeant ass niggas that bust a lie. You beat niggas that have bitches like mine. The boys in that all black wine. Now it's getting fine. And bitches get dug. And bodies get left in the middle of the club. And every other road. And every other hug. Standing from the ceiling to the motherfucking floor. And we get it and we go. It's like we get it from the stove. Leaving the White House with a dicky full of blow. My nigga. That's a special way I fold my flag. And I push your head if it's not that cash. Give me a sticky on the outfit. A 305 fitted just to match my kicks. Cause bitch, I'm alive. Fuck the other side. And I said twice. Fuck the other side. Yeah, this bitch dick smelling like a pound. And if you really want it, you can get it right now. Now everybody like, why you doing like that? Why the hell every day you be in that all black? Fresh pair of chains and you know they all black. Still posted in the
We saw something funny, sorry.
This shit be nothing new, you know how I do it, home. 7 straight big bodies sitting on bro.
He's acting like an animal.
I'm smoking on Joe with a good rap bitch. Cookies on the line and they hate that shit. So be good over here, tell them shit like this. Sitting in the trap with a real young chick. Picking out back what you know about this. That's a special way I fold my flag. And I push your head if it's not that cash. Give me a sticky on the outfit. A 305 fitted just to match my kicks. Cause bitch, I'm alive. Fuck the other side. And I said twice. Fuck the other side. Yeah, this bitch dick smelling like a pound. And if you really want it, you can get it right now. Home with a good rap bitch. Dudes on the line and they hate that shit. So be good over here, tell them shit like this. Sitting in the trap with a real young chick. Picking on sack, what you know about this? That's a special way I fold my flag. And I push your head if it's not that cash. Give me a 50 on the outfit. A 305 fitted just to match my kicks. Cause bitch, I'm alive. The other side. And I
We just arrived. Yay! Bye guys. Look at my beavers. He's laying on me. Oh, beavers. Such a good boy laying there with me.
I know how to do it.
Going to the store. You can't see me because it's dark now. But we're going to the store because my cousin locked his phone out like an idiot.
It wasn't my fault.
Trying to do some Clash of Clans bull crap. Yeah.
He's an idiot because you can delete it and start all over in the app and not restart your whole phone.
Alright guys, bye.
Go in it, go in it, go in it.
We are at Dairy Queen.
AT&T's right in front of it.
Guys,
We're at Dairy Queen to get
there's more
ice
AT&T
cream.
and if I made iPhone 6 Plus.
Watch out.
Try what? We're at Dairy Queen, guys.
We're at Dairy Queen.
We didn't vlog
We'll
that
get
much today.
our late night snack.
We didn't vlog that much today.
Nope.
It's already night. But yeah. Gonna go get Dairy Queen.
Peace.
Yeah, that's the kid that locked his phone like an idiot.
Bruh, that's not my fault. See, I was tired.
To reset Clash of Clans, but now my boyfriend's trying to fix it, right, babe?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but I think she's.
Because AT&T can't do anything about it.
Yeah. These people can't give us a damn receipt. Shit. I say it sucks and my mom should switch to Verizon.
Or T-Mobile.
Yeah. Starboner? Did you say Starboner?
So we just got ice cream. I got a caramel sundae. What'd you get, babe?
I got cookie dough.
Reese.
Doing.
got a banana split. Cause I'm the bomb.
Yeah, she likes her bananas.
Mine's good.
Mine's the bomb.
No, mine's better.
I'm cool
Mine's
enough,
better.
so you should be watching my videos, not theirs.
That's a lie. Don't watch her videos.
She ain't even got YouTube.
They're lame.
They're lame.
They ain't got no
Buffalo.
job. They ain't got nothing to do.
Hey guys, we're on our way home. And we got the ice cream sitting here. That's why we're in a hurry. And I got my medicine and drink down there. So we're going home. Now edit the vlog and wait for the other one to post. Hopefully it posts. Well, I gotta go because I got the thing up. Alright. And I gotta wash these ice cream before it spills. Bye!